Example number 3 tayo. So, the square of x minus 5. So, sa example na to, sa example number 3, yun na yan, subtraction yung nasa gitna ng dalawang term natin. Okay? So, again, rewrite lang natin, x minus 5 squared. So, again, SDS yung susundin natin pag square of a binomial tayo. Okay? We get the square of the first term. So, the square of x. So, since subtraction yung nasa gitna, yung middle term natin is subtraction din. So, double. Nasa double na tayo. Doubling the product of the first term and the last term. Then, lastly, the square of the last term. So, negative 5 talaga yon. Okay? So, kung magtataka kayo bakit negative 5 yun nasa dulo pero yung middle term is hindi siya negative 5, hindi ko ginamit ang negative 5. Kasi negative 5 or yung negative sign is nilagay ko na agad, hindi man automatic. Nilagay ko na agad doon sa middle term. So, ang ginagamit talaga natin na last term is negative 5. Okay? So, negative 5, kaya negative 5 squared yun nasa last term natin. Okay? So, simplifying. So, x squared minus 10x plus 25. Okay? So, ang square ni x minus 5 is x squared minus 10x plus 25. Okay, so that is our example number 3. Now, example number 4 naman tayo. So, the square of y minus 10. So, again, subtraction yung nasa gitna ng ating dalawang term. Okay? So, again, rewrite lang natin. We'll get the square of y minus 10. So, again, SDS yung ipa-follow natin. Square, double, square. In this part, square of y. So, minus 2 times y. And then, supposed to be negative 10, but we already put the negative sign here sa middle. Kaya 10 na lang lalagay natin. And, dito naman, plus negative 10 squared. Okay? So, pag sinimplify natin, we'll get y squared minus 20y plus 100. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, the square of y minus 10 is y squared minus 20y plus 100. Yan. So, this is our example number 4. Next tayo. So, meron pa tayong example number 5. So, example number 5 natin is a square of 2n plus 1. So, mapansin nyo yung first 4 examples natin, ang numerical coefficient ng ating first term ay puro 1 lang. So, ngayon naman, paano kapag hindi na 1 yung nakalagay dun sa, or yung numerical coefficient ng ating first term? So, ganun pa rin yung gagawin natin. SDS pa rin yung ipa-follow natin. Square, double, square. Okay? So, rewrite lang natin 2n plus 1 squared. Then we have square the first term, which is 2n. plus 2 times 2n. Then we have 1 plus the square of 1. Then simplify natin. So 2n squared is 4n squared plus 4n. Simplification ng ating, or simplest form ng ating middle term. Then the square of 1 is 1. So ibig sabihin, the square of 2n plus 1 is 4n squared plus 4n plus 1. So, this is our final answer. For example number 5. Yan. Next tayo. Example number 6. So, the square of 3k minus 4. So, paano nga ba kunin ang square ng square of 3k minus 4? So, yun pa rin. SDS, di ba? Square, double square. So, 3k, rewrite lang natin, minus 4. And squared. So, we have 3k squared. So, minus 2, double tayo, 3k. And then, since ginamit natin, or yung minus sign ni 4 or negative sign ni 4 is nilagay na natin sa before 2. So, we can just write 4 here. Then, sa last term, we are actually squaring negative 4. Okay? So, the square of 3k is 9k squared. So, ayusin lang natin. Mukha siya malaking k. So, 9k squared minus 2 times 3k times 4 is 24k plus 16. So, yun na yun. That's the square of 3k minus 4. So, the square of 3k minus 4 is 9k squared minus 24k plus 16. So, that is our example number 6. Kung may natutunan ka, like and share this video. Comment mo na din ang nagustuhan mong part o kaya naman ang suggested topic mo para i-discuss natin. At kung interesado ka sa marami pang ganitong video, hit that subscribe and bell button para lagi kang updated. Kita-kits tayo sa susunod na video. God bless!